In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play with controller on NBA 2K Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless if you have a PlayStation, an Xbox, or even a generic controller, you will be able to connect it to your phone in order to play NBA 2K Mobile. To do this, you have two main methods of connecting your controller to your phone. You can either use a cable. This method is extremely straightforward. You just plug the cable into the controller, usually at the top, and then the other end goes into your phone. There is no secret to this. You will connect them through the charging port, and once they are connected, they will work right away. However, what I believe most people will prefer to use instead is the Bluetooth connectivity options. In order to connect your controller over Bluetooth, what you will have to do is go into the Bluetooth settings of your device. And once you are inside, make sure that it is enabled. I'm showing this process being done on an iPhone, but of course you can do the exact same thing on an Android device instead. Now, you will have to activate pairing mode on your controller. If you have a DualSense, you will press the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds. The light bar will begin flashing and the controller will now be available under other Bluetooth devices. If you have an Xbox controller, there will be a button at the top, and as soon as you press down on that button, pairing mode will also start, and likewise it is going to appear on the list. If you have a different type of controller that also has Bluetooth, the process will be entirely different. Sadly, I cannot cover every single model of controller in this video, but most modern controllers should have Bluetooth connectivity options, so just read the manual or look for it up on Google if you don't know how to set up your controller. And after this is done, you are good to go. You can now open the game, and regardless if you use the cable or Bluetooth, it is going to work, and you can start a match, use the joysticks, move around, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.